Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 C300 4MATIC. This one is black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 17-inch split 5-spoke alloy wheels. Black MB text interior with a burl walnut wood trim. Sunroof. Coming around back, C300 4MATIC badging. This one does come with the hands-free access package. The simple swipe of your foot. The tailgate opens up. Clean set of all-season and regular floor mats. Blind spot assist, premium 1 package. Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats. An LED logo which appears when you open the door. Heated steering wheels, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, media display, rear view backup camera, multimedia package with garage door openers, auto dimming mirrors, navigation, dual climate controls, hard keys for the radio, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for the different driving patterns. This C-Class has 44,122 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmannimports.com.